As we're refining our arguments, our reconstruction of our arguments, it's important to keep certain principles in mind. In particular, we need to keep in mind we're trying to get at the truth, not trying to win an argument. It's not a boxing match. So when we're reconstructing an argument, we want to try to make the argument as strong as possible, as good an argument, as a reasonable an argument as we possibly can. And in doing this, we employ a principle which is sometimes called the principle of charity. That is, it's not to do what oftentimes happens in political debates, that is, that one of the debaters characterizes the other debater's position in its worst possible light, but rather we're trying to do the exact opposite. We're trying to get at the truth, so we want to make all the arguments we're considering as good as we possibly can. So when we're reconstructing an argument, we want to try to formulate the reconstruction in such a way that, first of all, at least the logic is good, and it's valid. The conclusion follows from the premises, and we should keep that in mind. We should add in missing premises that seem to go along with what the person who's giving the argument is claiming, and are such that it's going to connect the stated assumptions with the conclusion that is either stated or pretty clearly there. And then, in addition to which, as we're adding premises, or even as we're putting in the premises that the person has stated, we're going to try to make those premises as reasonable as we possibly can. I mean, at a bare minimum, we want to make them initially plausible. Don't start out with a completely ridiculous construction, a completely ridiculous statement that nobody is going to accept, because that is not our goal. Is to get at the truth, and we want to do the best job that we can.